funny, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, you're losing sides!
Oh, really? I didn't even notice it.
My God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'd say you're not going to Bentley's now. Now you're looking a little, how do they say it? Oh, shit. You all right?
Fucking muddy.
Your glasses are okay here.
Buggy, will you? You all right, Miss? Grab my razor. Get your shit out of here.
He's in too. Careful, his leg's fucking caught.
You all right, buddy? I'm good. I'm good. You good? Seriously?
Did you spill your beer?
I smashed my fucking head too.
Did you spill your beer?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh shit!
Did you get that on video?
I did not see that part.
What the fuck? We gotta tip her up because the fucking gas is all gonna leak out.
Yeah, you get out of
I
there.
can't be in here.
No, you gotta get out.
You alright? Yeah, my head hurts. Seriously.
Here, honey.
Come on, Neil. That was my first fucking rollover. Finally. I've been waiting for that all day. Look at this fucking cracked all this right here. Barry should have came to the mountain top. Might as well just pop these off.
Oh, he's got it cut. Do you want that still going?